washer here. We're going to do these rags that we use for all kinds of things during our haul out. So follow me this way and how this works.
First laundry.
If I don't fall and kill myself. So I'm gonna use the shower back here. And hope that we still have some hot water left because we turned the hot water off a little while ago. Let's see here. Ooh, yeah, we still got warm water.
Yeah? Oh, goody.
Yeah. So, got a little bit of laundry soap in here. Or if it's too heavy, I'll start adding some of these.
Honey, I think you can leave it out that way. That way it's not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. Then
I
I
mean,
can't sit
you
down
know,
and do my laundry.
Don't want to, you know, we have a tendency of micromanaging each other. Now I'm micromanaging her laundry thing.
You think?
I just don't want you to poke in your chin there.
Ooh. So far, so good. I'm agitating it. Wait till it floats up a little more. Ooh, we still have warm water too. Still, we turned off the hot water heater when?
Last night.
Last night.
Yeah.
I like this new water heater.
Yeah, it
Another
seems to.
goodbye.
It's gonna be great.
Alright. Almost halfway full.
Gotta have that hot water in the wintertime.
Well, it's not hot, but it's warm.
Still warm. Okay.
Well, did you turn it on?
Yep. That's the new laundromat right here on board.
Hey, this
I
might
think it's
work.
gonna work good. You need some soap with that?
There's some soap in there. I didn't.
Oh, you put soap in already?
Yeah.
You put laundry soap in already?
I did here.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so let's see here. I'll just pretend that, I'm paddling the dinghy somewhere.
Kind of like making soup, you know?
It's a witch's brew.
Okay, that's it.